This is my cabinet door. I'm going to show you how to install these Rockler 38N hinges. The bag comes with a set of 2 and the hardware. And for layout, from each end, I'll show 2 done. I like to come off 3 inches, make a mark, use my square, and scribe a line, real thin line, so they're painted. I have this jig from Kreg with a Forstner bit, and I have it set to 3mm offset from the edge, and it's right there, and that'll clip you in. And then this top mark right here, this center, you just come in, set it at the right on your mark, start real slow, scribing a line, and then go real slow. Get to the bottom. Clean out a little bit of excess wood from the jig. You can set that to the side, and you can see the hole right there. I set it back down. I set my hinge in, and I like to use my square it up with that line. It's good. And this is a Vix bit. This is a 5/64 Vix bit, and it's kind of, I use it for door hinges, so I'll use it for this too, and it works pretty well. And you can countersink your holes. There's 1. There's 2. Square them up. Change my bit. It's a Phillips bit. Square that up to the edge. It's good. One more. That's a quick, easy way to put in a door hinge for your cabinet doors. Fast, easy. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Help 77 Rockets grow. Thank you. Just measuring over 3 inches to the center, squaring it up along with my line so my jig matches up. Grab my jig, set the center to my mark, and slowly start drilling. Once I get to the very bottom, I slowly start edging it out, and I clean it out so it's a clean mortise. Blow out the excess, put my hinge in, square it up, grab my Vix bit so I can countersink the holes. Love that bit. And then install my hardware. Square it again, tighten it up a little bit more, tighten it again, check for square. Look at that, slow motion. Looks good. And here's all the tools that I use for this job. And then here's some other pictures of my cabinets with the other hardware on. Still waiting for paint on my carcass face frame, some of them. If you like this content, be sure to check out these other videos.